Hi, this is Chloe Melton, and tonight I'm going to be using postermywall.com to demonstrate what I learned from my first Atomic Learning video series, which was titled 10 Easy Ways to Integrate Technology in the Classroom. So like I said, this is my first project for my personal technology plan for Ed 161. And in that series that I watched, it demonstrated how to use many different websites academically in the classroom. Some of those websites were Quizlet, Jing.com, and AnimalCam, but I chose to use PosterMyWall because I think it's a great way for students to be creative and invent their own posters. So, first, once you get to the home page, you're going to go to Start a Project, and there are many different options for projects you can create. But tonight I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a poster, so we'll click on that. And once you get to this page, a bunch of different categories will come up for different posters you can make. For example, there's basketball posters, car posters, fashion posters, even fitness posters. There's basically anything you could think of. There's even some school posters. But tonight I'm going to be showing you how to make a fundraising poster, since fundraising is a very common thing in elementary schools. So once we click on the fundraising category, even more templates come up, which are tailored for different types of fundraisers. So for example, there's school fundraisers, a cupcake sale, animal shelter donations. Basically any type of fundraiser you can think of has a template on here. But for my project, I'm going to be showing you how to customize just a generic fundraiser template. So once we pick out the one we want to do, just simply click on it. It will give you a quick little preview of the poster, and then you can click Customize. And once this page comes up, over here on the right, you have your layout, style, different things you can do. You can label your project. So I'm going to call this Breast Cancer Fundraiser. You could even add in a description for your poster if you wanted to, but I'll leave that blank for now. So basically, it's very interactive. If you wanted to change something to personalize it, you just click on it. So I'm going to delete this Join Us and type in Charity Walk. You can come over to the right side here and pick out a different font if you don't like the original font. You can change the size to make it fit in the space that you're provided with. You can even just click on the text and move it around to put it where you want it. And also I'm going to come over here and change the font color. So I'm going to leave this in support of, but we're going to come down here and personalize this section now. So just delete all of the writing out of the template. And for example, something you could type in would be in support of breast cancer research. And I'm going to come in and change the color to make it match what I had in mind for my poster. So once we have that section the way we want it, you can come down here, move things around again, put them wherever you want them, and put in the actual date of our fundraiser, which, for example, might be Monday, May 9th. And I'm just going to change the time as well. And change the color because we can. So this website's very interactive and straightforward. I'm not sure that students would have many questions for the teacher while using this website, which would be great, so everyone could make progress. You come down here and put in an RSVP phone number. You can even delete this fundraiser little picture that's here and add in your own clip art, another text box instead, or even a file, a picture from your computer, or you can retrieve pictures from social media as well. But for this example, I'm just going to leave the fundraiser there. Going to come down here and change the prices. And really, you can mess around with this as much as you want to make your poster have the ideal appearance that you were going for. But this looks pretty good to me. So once I've titled it and basically done everything that I want to do, I would come up here to the top and click Save or Share. And I don't have an account created, so I don't think it will actually let me save it. But after I created an account and put in my personal information, you could save it to your website or simply download it to your computer to be able to print out copies. So I'm actually going to come up here and add in a clip art before we're done. I love how many options you have to customize these posters. And if you don't want to use a pre-made template, if you want to start from scratch, that's also an option. So, once the kids in your class have their posters exactly how they want them, like I said, you can save them, share them, or simply download them. And it's great because it lets your students be creative while doing something that has a purpose for your school. For example, a lot of elementary schools have fundraisers like soup drives or canned good drives. So this is a great way to advertise for those events and to let your students do something educational and creative. There are endless categories for templates that you could use to make posters on this website, so that's also a plus. And finally, most of the templates on this website are free, so it will not cost you anything as a teacher. So basically that is postermywall.com. That is the website I chose to do my project on. I really like this website and I can see myself using it in the future as a teacher. Thank you.